Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the issue some Android licenses not accepted. So I am getting this error when I am installing Flutter and running the command Flutter Doctor. And by the way, if you want to watch the entire tutorial on how to download and install Flutter with Android Studio, you can just click on the card that is appearing on top. So to solve this issue, the way is so easy. As you can see here, they have given to resolve this, run Flutter Doctor Android licenses. So you need to just copy this and paste it and hit enter. So you can just give Y and hit enter, and again Y and hit enter, Y and hit enter, same thing. So now again run the command Flutter Doctor, and this time we have got no issues found. So that's the video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.